Hey guys. Okay, this is my bike check from TZX. It's very Google. I got Vice Miami high-rise bars. Pretty good bars. I have a Mirraco stem, and it's hollowed out on the sides for less weight.
Hollowed out.
Black label stock grips with the stock bar end on this side. Then on that side, I have an Eastern nylon bar end. Glow in the dark. Mirraco, no, not Mirraco, Vice slim down fork. It's a pretty good fork. Then for my tread, it's some random company, but they're big.
Meaty.
And I think I have a sun rim. I don't know. Before I bought it, the guy painted it. And I have the stock hub and the stock spokes. Then went to the sun rim. The frame is the Vellie. This is the 2011 Vellie Mirraco with Vice parts and black label. I have Mirraco cranks that were actually black, but my friend can paint really good, so he painted them white. They're the stock black label pedals. I have a black label sprocket. This is a okay sprocket, I guess. I want to change it. Up here at my seat, I have a stolen pivotal black. That is a great seat. I love it.
Faded away. Stolen.
And then my back tread is a 2.25 Animal GLH. Then it's the stolen revolver back rim with the stock back hub, the stock spokes. And then over here at my chain, I have a white KMC chain. Yeah, it's a pretty good chain. And I don't have a seat clamp because it's just integrated. Otherwise, I'll tell you my seat clamp. Well, I guess I didn't miss anything. That's my bike check.